Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ganesha Creations 24. I'm Ashish and today I'm going to show you how to fold an origami bow tie. Now by the end of this video, if you like it, please do not forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Now let's get folding. So first thing what we need to do is, so I have here, as you can see, 15 by 15 centimeters square sheet of paper. We have to divide this in half and cut it in half. Okay, so I'm just going to pick up any side and then make a central fold. That's done, and now I'm going to just cut this in half or tear it in half. I think better I use a pair of scissors since the paper won't cut on that great. So these are two halves of the paper. Okay, it's color on one side and white on the other. So now we're keeping one piece aside, and then let's get on with the other one. So we start with the white side and we fold it in the center. Like this. Okay, crease well, and then open that up, and then again bring both these sides towards the center. So here, this is the right side first. And that's the left side now. Alright, so now that that's done, the next thing we're going to do is fold it in half. Okay guys, so now once this is done, open this up, and now we're going to make two diagonal folds. The way to do that is, you lift it up from the center and bring it at an angle where you can see the central fold that we just made, the half, that is aligned with this central fold, okay? So there, I've creased it, so that's one diagonal fold, as you can see. Then open that up and then go with the other side. There, see, that's the central fold is aligning with this one over here, and then crease. Okay, you see this X. Now with these corners, four corners, you're going to fold these in center. So you pick this up and bring it towards the center like this and crease. Do the same thing with the left side and also to the bottom side as well. So just rotate that. Pick up the right side again, bring it towards the center, crease, then do the same thing with the left side and crease. Okay, so this is what you have here. Okay, so what we're going to do is, we're going to press this inward and fold these in such a way. Alright, so the next thing that we want to do is open this up, and right where you see this fold, you press it forward and crease right here where you see these folds here at the center. Flip it over and do the same thing. You push this head towards the top, and then right where you see these folds, you crease. Okay, now the next step in here is, you see these flaps 1, 2, 3, 4. So again you're going to make such folds here, the triangles. You bring this tip towards the center, centrally aligned, and then crease. Do the same thing with the left side. Yeah, take your time to just make sure it's aligning with the central fold that we have. Flip over and repeat. And then the left side again. Now pick it up and open the central fold and slowly pull apart both sides. So, and then if you want, you can press here at the central tip that you have here, and as you slowly press it, you start seeing the bow tie, and then you can just crease it and make those creases permanent. And there you go, guys. That's our origami bow tie. If you've liked the video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up, and also please share this video with your friends. Also mention in the comments section of what you liked exactly about the video, as well as if you want to see more such content, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.